say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
It's been 40 minutes. I've been trekking to this waterfall, but I have 20 more minutes to reach the waterfall. It's very good, but then it's very tedious. So I'm going to reach the waterfall and meet you guys. It's gonna be very tough, guys. Literally 1 more kilometer more, but the pavement or the pathway will not be here. It will be like this only.
If we go down in history. Yeah. If we go down in history. Yeah. All I need is me, myself, and I. Hey. Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. I was somebody else. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
Hey guys, hope you can hear the sound of the waterfalls. I don't know whether you can see, and I'm going to say something. I don't know whether you will understand. I have climbed the mountain uphill, and then I have done the downhill climbing also, and I'm here to watch the waterfall. There is no way to reach the source, so I thought, okay, I'll get a shower over here. I was very tired coming up here. It was very tiring process, but then after getting a shower, I'm literally so good now.
It took about 1.5 hours to trek back to the starting point. It was fun going to this trek and I had a good experience over there. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it up a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon. We'll meet you in the next video, guys. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking, my lovelies.